what is preventing your company from understanding interoperability?
Hi everyone. How are you all doing? Have you ever thought about how challenging it can be to embrace changes within our company? Yet, change is becoming more necessary every single day. What truly makes it hard is the transition, moving to new systems, changing work conditions, and the daunting task of retraining an entire team. This is exactly where we become a crucial piece of your business puzzle. Facilitating internal communication is a challenge. Often, creativity and innovation are what help everyone truly understand the core of the business. This is a fundamental part of understanding interoperability. It means your healthcare system will finally speak the same language as pharmacies, labs, and other hospitals across the world. Communication becomes better, faster, and far more efficient. And the best part? All of this happens without replacing your current system, that vital backbone of your healthcare business. The goal isn't to break what's working, it's to enhance your data. Imagine healthcare staff sending test results to labs instantly, without the need for endless new forms. A single, focused change can transform the entire ecosystem of a hospital or medical center, streamlining communication and patient care. We aren't here to reinvent the wheel or create new systems from scratch. We are here because we know how vital interoperability is. From the shareholders, who need to make high-stakes decisions without risking everything, to the developers, who need to understand that normalizing code isn't the same as building a new system.
Welcome to the era of interoperability, where systems talk to global networks.